Hello and welcome back to this month's episode of Palmera Go. The first day of fall is just around the corner, and to help get everyone excited for this season, I wanted to start off with an RCI find that'll put you in one of the best places for leaf peeping. For those of you who aren't familiar with the term, leaf peeping is the art of traveling to admire and photograph the beautiful fall foliage throughout the country. Whether it's a week-long visit or only a day trip, it's time to break out the cameras. There are helpful maps like this one that help predict when and where you might see these picturesque autumn colors. No map can give you the exact timing, but at least you'll get a better idea of when to plan your trip. Look how much difference a week makes. As always, the first place I check for available stays is the 1,000 points or less page. I'll go ahead and narrow the search down to the United States and choose October of this year to see what's available. Here's a great find, although there's no photos listed. Something that you should all get into the habit of for any listed resort, especially this one, is exploring the resort's websites. Now we can gather more information about this resort and see how beautiful it is. For more information about Branson in the fall, here is a great resource for activities and events. There are also walking, hiking, and even driving tours all mapped out for you. And by the way, at the end of this video, I'll make sure to list all the helpful websites I've used in today's video. That way, you can check out all the fall festivals that Ozarks have to offer. Another reason to get excited about fall is football season. Since we're already a couple weeks into the college football season, let's take a look at what Quest has in store for us to get us game day ready at the actual game. Those of you die-hard fans out there probably had your tickets and hotel rooms lined up for a while now, but maybe some of you are thinking about a last-minute trip to see your team. Let's start searching for hotels in Tuscaloosa, Alabama for a weekend trip. It looks like there are a bunch of deals in Tuscaloosa. These top 3 are all a short drive from the game. Another fan favorite location would be Columbus, Ohio. I always like to order the results from highest to lowest ratings. Here is a great find that is discounted by 17%. The Westin Columbus looks like a beautiful hotel and is less than a 10-minute drive from the Ohio Stadium. The fall season in Hilton Head Island isn't known for its foliage or football, but the island and surrounding areas come alive with festivals and events. If you love art, music, and seafood, especially shrimp, the Lowcountry is the place to be from September to November. And you really can't beat the gorgeous weather. Have you checked the VIP weeks lately? There are a bunch of great deals on 3, 4, and 7-night stays. You too could be lounging in the sun, listening to live music, and eating great food, while your neighbors back home break out their sweaters and jackets. The choice is yours. If you're done with traveling for the year, remember that you have until October 1st to save your unused points. Go ahead and save your points now before you forget. If you plan on traveling using your points this year, leave them right where they are and have fun on your trip. And that's it for this month's video. Until next time!